Namaste, welcome to Personal Wellness IAS. These are the articles to be read on June 30, 2021 in the Hindu newspaper. The first article that you have to read is Ensure that no migrant workers goes hungry, SC instructs government. You have to read this article to understand the sequence of event that led to SC instructing the government and how many times this case has been discussed in the courts of India and how significant is it in terms of framing government policy towards migrants. The second article that you have to read today is Government gives nod for Cipla to import Moderna's vaccine. So with this, how many numbers of what is the number of vaccines that have increased in terms of availability in India? Why this is significant, and who is the supplier, and how Moderna vaccine is different from other vaccines that have been administered in India. So you have to read the technical specifications of Moderna vaccine. So moving on to the next article, monsoon session likely for July 19 to August 13th. You have to read this in terms of understanding the resumption or the total resumption of normal sessions of parliament, because you know how it has been troubling for certain lawmakers in India to make their cases in regards to certain bills due to COVID-19 protocols. Moving on to the next article, case against Twitter for giving access to child porn. So, what are the laws in India against child porn? What are the sections of the IT Act or the POSCO Act that govern certain this such acts? You have to read that for both mains and prelims perspective. The next article that you have to read today is in the editorials, because all the editorials today are a little bit of a significance. The first one that you have to read is apt judicial reminder in an era of over criminalization. You have to read this article in the perspective of what have been the previous judgments in governing or defining the word terrorist, and why the definition of or narrowing down the definition of terrorist is significant. The second article that you have to read is Flying Terror. This is in relation to the recent drone attack in the IAF station in Jammu, and you have to read this to understand the history or the development of using of drones as IEDs. The next article that you have to read is coming soon. Again, this is regarding to the cinematography draft rules that the government of India proposes to amend. You have to understand what is the draft bill and what is the difference between the past bill and the new bill that India government intends to amend and uh, draft into an act. So the next article, this is the most important article to be read today, is Mendes anti-terror vision. Anti-torture vision is still distant for India. The article that you have to read, this article had to be read in two perspectives. What are Mendes's principles and how problematic torture is in India? This is for both mains perspective, and it will certainly help you in answer writing and giving you a diverse view or field of view in terms of mains answer writing. Coming to page 7, the trouble with rankings. This is again an important article. The next article that you have to read is a vague and wanting statement. These are two not so important, but nonetheless, the trouble with rankings is a little bit significant because of how Indian institutions are ranked and why it is problematic. Moving on to page number 8, Chamoli disaster due to avalanche. You have to understand this to write a credible answer in terms of environmental disasters. The next article is Indians value religious freedom, not integration. This article is important in order to write a mains answer, putting forth a point of view that the idea that India is religiously intolerant or otherwise can be substantiated with hard data from this research. So that's why it becomes important. Cyber skills being used for terror, says Shringla. This article has to be read from two perspectives. What are information and technology communication, IoT, terror attacks or cyber attacks? Why are they significant? Is India ready for such terror attacks? Moving on to page number 9, House panel questions Twitter. You have to know which panel called it, why they have called it, what is their mandate, and what is the outcome of such panels. Moving on to the next article. In page number 10, you have to read Follow Health Ministry Advisory till July 31st, says Center. You have to read it from two perspectives. Who is issuing it and why are they issuing it? Moving on, Jaishankar presses for vaccine equity. What is vaccine equity? What is COVAX program? Does United States and European Union have similar programs such as Vaccine Maitri in their countries also. From that perspective, you have to read it. Johnson & Johnson says no trial needed for its jab in India. So what is Johnson & Johnson's jab, and why they don't? Why do they justify that they don't need a trial to be conducted in India? Why it is problematic for India? You have to read it from that perspective. 5 firms come together for COVID-19 drug trial. What are those firms and why are they coming, and why that drug is special? From that perspective, you have to read that article. Moving on to the world, page number 11, G honors PLA soldiers killed in Ganwal Valley. You have to read this article in one single importance, that is building border villages. What are border villages? Why Xi Jinping is pushing for border villages, and how they change the battlefield in terms of occupation of territory by the Chinese. This is important. Study more on border villages. They'll help you in giving a better answer writing capability in future to support your answer to claim on the claim that China has been occupying territory both in Nepal, Bhutan and India. So moving on to the next article, Israel's Lipid opens embassy in UAE. How you have to read this article from two perspectives. What are Abraham Accords? Why are they significant? And who are the signatories to the Abraham Accords? What is normalization of relationships with Israel from other countries in the Middle East? That is the important article that you have to read today. The next article that you have to read is Tigray forces seize capital. This article is only important from the perspective of map pointing. What is Tigray region? Who are Tigray forces, or whatever? You have to understand the map pointing aspect of it. Moving on to the economy or business, OPEC risks forcing India to tap Iran for oil if prices stay high. What are OPEC countries? Why do they control, and how do they control the prices of oil? Why India cannot access Iranian oil? From that perspective, you have to read this article. FM wants monetization of oil assets expedited. What are oil assets? Learn what are oil assets. That's it. And why they are being monetized. The next article is fresh stimulus to rise fiscal deficit by 60 base points. Why? What are base points? How are they related to fiscal deficit? The next article, and the most important that you have to read in economy or business, is Lanka banking on 1 billion Indian swap deal. First, learn what are swap deals, why are they significant, and why India needs to, despite the challenges that India has in its own economy, should allow Sri Lanka to have a 1 billion swap deal. Insert China here and why it is important, and learn how these swap deals are carried out. What are the procedures, what are the negotiations, what are the agreements that go into these swap deals. These are the important articles for the Hindu newspaper to be read today on June 30. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.